the group of alcohols is a larger one. So we have ethanol, the one that we are talking about, the alcohol that you people know. And then we have another one called methanol. Now, methanol is highly toxic to the system because when you break down methanol, you'll end up getting formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is a substance that is actually used to preserve dead bodies, the corpse. So when you drink methanol or you get intoxicated with methanol, what you're doing is you're actually preserving your body while you're still alive. That is one. Number two, methanol is very dangerous because that formaldehyde that it produces after metabolism is toxic to the eye. And there was a case scenario in Moranga in Kenya where people drank the illicit brew that had methanol, and then they lost sight, but they thought that somebody is turning off the light. So they kept on saying that even if you turn off the lights, we will still drink our alcohol. Literally, they know that they're actually losing sight because of methanol intoxication. Now remember, ethanol and methanol, they compete for the same receptors. And when they compete for the same receptors, ethanol has high affinity to the receptors than methanol. So this means if you've drunk methanol and you are being intoxicated by methanol, the solution is to give you ethanol. That's why you can actually give alcohol to somebody who has actually been intoxicated with methanol. So you give ethanol because ethanol will now compete with the receptors, with methanol on binding to the receptors. And ethanol will displace even methanol from the receptors. And that will help you recover from the intoxication of methanol. So it's easier to use ethanol to do away with toxicities of methanol. But this is a case that is supposed to be handled under very keen observation and watch in a hospital setup.